What's up, mi gente? Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my collard greens. We're going to start by some smoked turkey legs, cutting them up into little pieces, throw them in some boiling water. Now moving on to some diced onions and some diced bell peppers. Now we're going to be chopping up our garlic, throwing it into the boiling water as well, adding some chicken bouillon, some adobo, and some nature seasoning. And now onto our chopped up green onions. Now take a look at that. Let's move on to washing our greens. Now into the boiling water they go. Cook until softened. And look at these greens. They are absolutely delicious. If you guys try these greens, remember to comment below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share with a friend.